Hey, what's up guys? Hector here from DJ Band Supply here at the NAMM Show 2018 here at the Gator booth with the Mr. Gator. So, Mr. Gator, tell me, what is your favorite piece of gear right now? Oh, okay. So this is the new speaker stand that we have here. I like how that one can close up into a compact cylinder design and how it has adjustable legs so that you can level it as well, right? That's awesome, man. So I heard that you guys have a couple new products, right? That sounds cool. So I think if I could point them out to you, is this one new here? Somewhat? All right, well that looks like an awesome bag to house all of the those mic stands, is that correct? Awesome. And then I think behind you over here, I think we said that there was a new 3-tier keyboard thing, right? Awesome, that's cool. And that can also be adjusted to house any new outboard gear or any synthesizers, correct? Wow, that is awesome, man. Thank you so much for such a responsive output. I couldn't have asked for such a better interviewee. Well, if you guys are at the NAMM show for 2018, make sure you come by the Gators. And so we're here with Gator again. And hey, Gator, I didn't know you could play guitar. Whoa, that is awesome, man. That's pretty cool. And whoa, what is that? Oh, I think that's the new Stanley clip-on guitar stand, the standalone stand. That's awesome. Turns out I have one right here. So this is cool. I guess you can clip this on to your guitar, right? Using just the little clip that you normally clip your strap onto, right? That's great. And then these little guys here, do they level your guitar? Oh, that is awesome, man. That's pretty cool. So do you take this with you at every gig you go to? Every swamp you go to? So we're here with Mr. Gator again, and we're here to check out a couple TV stands. So these TV stands are cross bracing for the back of the TV, correct? Awesome. Now I noticed that you guys have 2 stands, and they're different stands, right? Awesome. Now the main difference I see here is this is a manual pin. Awesome. And then what's the difference here? Is this one's the auto piston, right? Oh, that's awesome. So can I try it out? Great. So if I go ahead and just try this with one hand, it's just as easy as that. Wow, that is super easy. Do you ever have trouble doing it? No? Yeah, because you're a strong alligator, right? Awesome, man. Well, thank you. If you guys make sure to come by and check out the Gator booth, stay away from this guy. He might eat you, but just walk around and, no. No, we like to mess around. He eats fish. All right, so if you're at the NAMM Show 2018, make sure you come by the Gator booth and check out Mr. Gator and check out all the new product that they have to offer. Thank you.